Let's talk power. Obviously power is a huge advantage, but in golf you also need control. Now how do you generate a lot of power while still controlling where it goes? Well, you need to be efficient with your swing. So let's think about what would be an efficient move. In the golf swing we use lateral shift, vertical force, and rotation to generate speed. To put all these together and make it efficient, you need to have the right sequence. The easiest way I've found to learn the sequence is by throwing something heavy because it forces you to use your bigger muscles. If I ask you to throw this ball, you will most likely make a similar move where you shift to your lead side, then start to rotate, followed by a vertical push through your lead leg to whip the ball out towards the target. This is the correct sequence that allows you to be efficient. Now let's take this to the golf swing. In the backswing, you rotate back and load into your trail side, but when does this lateral shift to your lead side occur? The shift actually starts just before the top of your swing. This not only helps with your X factor, but helps you load energy into that lead leg. The next step is rotation, and this is where the X factor comes in. The X factor is the difference between your hips and your shoulders. The greater the difference, the more you've curled up the spring and generated power that can be used on the ball. An important key to unloading this power properly is understanding your hips are way ahead of your shoulders when it comes to rotating through the ball. From the top of the swing, if you immediately start rotating your hips open, your upper body will have no time to catch up. This is the importance of the lateral shift into the lead leg. This gets you in a better position, which allows your upper body to catch up to your lower body, essentially uncoiling the spring at the right time. Finally, you have vertical force. This is where you get to unload all the energy you loaded into your lead leg. As the club is approaching the ball, you will explode up through your lead leg, which will help you whip the club through impact. This again is why the lateral shift is important. If you stay on your back foot and simply rotate, you'll be missing out on potential power. As you can tell, I mentioned nothing about hands and arms, and this is because you want control. To generate power with control, you need to utilize your large muscles, and everything I talked about in this video will help you do just that. That's pretty much perfect.